Hello friends, in this video covers 50 important questions of general knowledge from the history section. Let's start the video. Fire has been discovered in which age? Fire has been discovered in which age? Paleolithic. Paleolithic is the right answer. Fire has been discovered in Paleolithic age. Next question. First metal used by man was dash. First metal used by man was dash. The right answer is copper. First metal used by man was copper. Copper is the right answer. First metal used by man was copper. And third one, the Veda which deals with the ritual is known as Yajurveda. The Veda which deals with the ritual is known as Yajurveda. Yajurveda deals with the rituals. And fourth one, the tax which the kings used to collect from the people in the Vedic period was called Bali. The tax which the kings used to collect from the people was called Bali. And fifth one, in Vedic period, Indra was the god of dash. In Vedic period, Indra was god of wind. In Vedic period, Indra was god of wind. And sixth one, the oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Rig Veda is the oldest Veda. The oldest Veda is Rig Veda. And seventh one, the most important craftsman in the Vedic period was the dash. The most important craftsman in the Vedic period was the dash, carpenter. Carpenter is the most important craftsman in the Vedic period. Most important craftsman is carpenter in the Vedic period. Eighth one, where did Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon? Where did Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon? The answer is Sarnath. Sarnath is the where Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon. And in ninth one, Dhamek Stupa was built by was built by dash. Dhamek Stupa was built by Narsimha. Narsimha built the Dhamek Stupa. Dhamek Stupa was built by Narsimha. And the 10th one, which script was used in Ashoka's inscription? Which script was used in Ashoka's inscription? Brahmi. Brahmi. Which script was used in Ashoka's inscription is Brahmi. Brahmi is the script used for Ashoka's inscription. The circle of Sarnath pillar indicates dash. The circle of Sarnath pillar indicates the progress. The circle of Sarnath pillar indicates the progress. The circle of Sarnath pillar indicates the progress. And the 12th one, Kalinga War was fought in the year. Kalinga War was fought in the year of 261 BC. Kalinga War was fought in the 261 BC. And the 13th one, Ashok called the dash third Buddhist. Ashok called the dash third Buddhist Patliputra. And the 14th one, the important book written by Kaudilya is Arthasastra. The important book written by Kaudilya is Arthasastra. And fifth, Sanji Stupa was built by dash. Sanji Stupa was built by dash. Ashoka. Ashoka built the Sanji. And the next question is, Megasthenes Indica deals with the history of the dash. Megasthenes Indica deals with the history of the dash Marathas. Marathas is the right answer. Megasthenes Indica deals with the history of the Marathas. And 17th one, to which king belongs the lion capital at Sarnath? To which king belongs the lion capital at Sarnath? Ashoka. Ashoka is the right answer. To which king belongs the lion capital of Sarnath is Ashoka. Gandhara School of Art developed during the time of dash. Gandhara School of Art developed during the time of Kushans. Kushans. Gandhara School of Art developed during the time of Kushans. And 19th one, the sultans of which dynasty ruled the country for the long period? The sultans of which dynasty ruled the country for long period? The right answer is slave dynasty. Slave dynasty is the right answer. The sultans of which dynasty ruled the country is slave dynasty. Ibn Battuta, the Moorish traveler, visited India during the region of dash. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The right answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta, the Moorish traveler, visited India during the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who of the following introduced a silver coin called tanga? Who of the following introduced a silver coin called tanga? The right answer is Qutb Uddin Aibak. Qutb Uddin Aibak is the right answer. Who of the following introduced a silver coin called tanga is Qutb Uddin Aibak. And 22nd question, Somnath temple stolen by Alaluddin Khilji in which year? Somnath temple stolen by Alaluddin Khilji in which year? The right answer is 1025 AD. 1025 AD is the right answer. Somnath temple stolen by Alaluddin Khilji in which year? 1025 AD. And 23rd, who is called Alexander of India? Who is called Alexander of India? The right answer is Alaluddin Khilji. Alaluddin Khilji called Alexander of India. And 24th one, who was the founder of Sayyid dynasty? Who was the founder of Sayyid dynasty? Ghizir Khan. Ghizir Khan is the right answer. Who was the founder of Sayyid dynasty? Ghizir Khan. Ghizir Khan. 25th. Who was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty? Who was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty? The right answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi is the last ruler of Lodi dynasty. Who was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty? Ibrahim Lodi. And 26th. First Panipat war was fought between dash. First Panipat war was fought between dash. Babur vs Ibrahim Lodi. First Panipat was war fought between Babur vs Ibrahim Lodi. And 27th one, Jamna Masjid was built by which king? Jamna Masjid was built by which king? Jamna Masjid was built by which king? Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan is the right answer. Jamna Masjid was built by which king? Shah Jahan. 28th. Buland Darwaza is the main entrance of the palace at dash. Buland Darwaza is the main entrance to the palace at Gwalior Fort. Gwalior Fort is the right answer. Buland Darwaza is the main entrance to the palace at Gwalior Fort. 29. The first battle of Panipat was fought in the year of. First battle of Panipat was fought in this year of 1526. 1526 is the right answer. First battle of Panipat was fought in the year of 1526. Battle of Kannauj fought in the year of. Battle of Kannauj fought in the year of. The right answer is 1540. Battle of Kannauj fought in year of 1540. Who built Modi Masjid in the Red Fort of Delhi? Who built Modi Masjid in the Red Fort of Delhi? Jahangir. Jahangir is the right answer. Jahangir built Modi Masjid in the Red Fort of Delhi. 32nd. The Scientific Society of Aligarh was founded by dash. The Scientific Society of Aligarh was founded by dash. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The right answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The Scientific Society of Aligarh was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Satyarth Prakash was written by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Is the right answer. Satyarth Prakash was written by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. And 34th, British is achieved political power in India after which of the following? Battle of Plassey is the right answer. British achieved their political power in India after the Battle of Plassey. British achieved their power after the Battle of Plassey. Who was the founder of Indian Reform Association in 1870? Who was the founder of Indian Reform Association in 1870? The right answer is Keshav Chandra Sen is the right answer. Keshav Chandra Sen is the right answer. Who was the founder of Indian Reform Association in 1870? Which act ended the trade monopoly of East India Company? Which act ended the trade monopoly of East Indian Company? The Charter Act of 1813. The Charter Act ended their East Indian Company trade monopoly. The Sati system was abolished by Lord William Bentinck. The Sati system was abolished by Lord William Bentinck. 38th. Who gave the title of Raja to Ranjit Singh? Who gave the title of Raja to Ranjit Singh? Zaman Singh. Zaman Singh. Who gave the title of Raja to Ranjit Singh? Zaman Singh. Indian Council Act of 1892 was based on which plan? Indian Council Act of 1892 was based on which plan? Dufferin Plan. The right answer is Dufferin Plan. And the 14th question, Caste Disabilities Act was passed in which year? 1850 is the right answer. Caste Disabilities Act was passed in 1850 is the right answer. And 41st question, Mutiny of 1857 was described as the first Indian War of Independence Day. Mutiny was described as the first Indian War of Independence by V.D. Savarkar. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India according to the Act of Queen Victoria became the Empress of India according to the Act of 1876. The option D is the right answer. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India according to the Act of 1876. Who was the first Muslim to be elected as the President of Indian National Congress? Who was the first Muslim to be elected as the President of Indian National Congress? Badruddin Tyabji. He is the first Muslim to be selected in Indian National Congress. At which season of the Congress was the first foreign leader to shared dash? At which season of Congress was the first foreign leader to shared Allahabad? Allahabad is the right answer. And 45th, by the Act of 1858, India was to be governor dash. By the Act of 1858, India was to be governor in the name of crown. In the name of crown. By the Act of 1858, India was to be governor in the name of crown. Dev Samraj was founded by Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. Dev Samraj was founded by Shiv Narayan Agnihotri is the right answer. And 47th question, what was the capital of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Kingdom? What was the capital of Maharaja Raja Ranjit Singh Kingdom? Lahore. Capital of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Kingdom was Lahore. Treaty of Pondicherry was signed in 1754. Treaty of Pondicherry was signed in 1754. And 49th question, blue water policy is related to British. Blue water policy is related to British and Portuguese company. Blue water policy is related to Portuguese company. By Charter Act of 1793, renewed by company monopoly for years. The Charter Act of 1793 renewed the company monopoly for 20 years. It was the act which was developed to end the trading monopoly of East Indian Company. We saw this question earlier. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. If you found this video useful, you can share with your friends who is studying for the competitive exam. And thank you, and very good luck to you for your exams. Thank you. Please subscribe us.